Welcome back to Manna Home Design. Here, we explore beautifully curated homes, spaces that feel warm, personal, and thoughtfully lived in. If you love cozy interiors, meaningful details, and New York City apartments with real character, you're in the right place. A brilliantly curated Brooklyn home. Cozy, texture, and personality. At first glance, this Brooklyn apartment feels calm and effortless. But the more you look, the more intentional every corner becomes. Nothing feels rushed, nothing feels staged. This home tells a story. Today, we're stepping inside a brilliantly curated Brooklyn home. A cozy New York City apartment designed around warmth, texture, and personality. This isn't about trends or quick decor fixes. It's about collecting pieces over time, layering materials, and creating a space that feels grounded and personal. From the living area to the bedroom, kitchen, and work-from-home corner. Every space reflects a thoughtful approach to apartment living, where comfort comes first, and style follows naturally. If you're drawn to curated interiors, cozy homes, and Brooklyn apartments that truly feel lived in, this tour is for you. Living room, main gathering space. This living room sets the tone for the entire Brooklyn apartment. In this New York City apartment tour, the largest room becomes the heart of the home, open, airy, and intentionally curated. A neutral base on the walls and sofa creates calm, while layered textures instantly bring warmth into this small New York City apartment. Vintage artwork, eclectic decor, and collected objects tell a story of a home built over time. Patterned pillows, cozy throws, and ocean blue curtains add visual rhythm, proving that a compact apartment doesn't need to feel minimal. This railroad apartment blends vintage meets modern in a way that feels personal, not styled. Multiple lamps replace harsh overhead lighting, filling the room with a soft, welcoming glow. The fireplace becomes both storage and statement, reinforcing the idea that cozy apartment living in New York City is about comfort, character, and spaces designed for gathering, not just square footage. Dining alcove, cozy blue nook. Tucked into a small alcove, this dining space proves how bold color can transform a Brooklyn apartment. Deep blue walls instantly create intimacy, turning a compact New York City dining area into a cozy destination rather than an afterthought in a small apartment. A vintage hutch anchors the room, mixing old-world charm with modern New York City living. Mismatched chairs, layered rugs, and collected ceramics reflect an eclectic decor approach, thoughtful, curated, and deeply personal rather than perfectly matched. Custom artwork fills a boarded-up window, turning an architectural quirk into a focal point. Warm pendant lighting softens the space, reinforcing how curated design choices can make even the smallest railroad apartment feel intentional, inviting, and full of character. Guest bedroom, no window, all atmosphere. This guest bedroom shows how color can redefine a challenging New York City apartment layout. With no windows, the space leans into rich blue tones, creating a cozy, cocoon-like retreat within a compact Brooklyn apartment. A painted daybed blends seamlessly into the walls, while bold yellow bedding adds contrast and energy. Layered pillows and soft textures transform this small room into a welcoming space that feels intentional, not temporary, a hallmark of curated apartment living. A curtain replaces a traditional door, allowing airflow and flexibility. Open shelving displays books and personal objects, proving that even in a small New York City apartment, thoughtful styling can create warmth, personality, and comfort for guests. Entryway, first impression Nook. This narrow entryway acts as a gentle transition into the Brooklyn apartment. In a railroad-style layout, the foyer becomes a moment of pause, a place to arrive, set things down, and instantly feel at home in this New York City apartment. A vintage console table anchors the space, paired with wall hooks and layered artwork. The gallery wall draws the eye upward, adding depth and interest to a small apartment entry without overwhelming it. Warm lamp lighting and personal art create an inviting first impression. It's a reminder that even the smallest spaces in a New York City apartment can feel curated, cozy, and deeply intentional. Primary bedroom, calm and collected. This primary bedroom continues the calm, neutral foundation seen throughout the Brooklyn apartment. Soft tones and simple furniture create a peaceful retreat within the energy of New York City living. Vintage pieces, layered bedding, and ceramic lamps add warmth and texture. Personal artwork and journals turn the room into a lived-in space, blending eclectic decor with modern comfort. A small dining table near the kitchen embraces the apartment's unique layout. Rather than fighting the space, this New York City apartment design celebrates flexibility, proving that cozy, curated living is about how a space feels, not how it's labeled. Kitchen, small but personal. This tiny kitchen is filled with light, making it one of the happiest corners of the Brooklyn apartment. In a small New York City kitchen, natural light becomes the most valuable design element. Rental-friendly upgrades like blue contact paper on the countertop add personality without renovation. Vintage art, plants, and collected objects reflect a curated approach to small apartment design. Photos, magnets, and meaningful details transform the kitchen into more than a functional space. It becomes another layer of storytelling, a reminder that New York City apartment living is as much about memory as it is about design. The soul of the home. These close-up moments capture the soul of the apartment. Ceramic lamps, stacked books, and layered textiles reveal how this Brooklyn home was built through thoughtful, collected choices. Every object tells a story, from vintage finds to family photographs. This eclectic decor style turns a small New York City apartment into a deeply personal space rather than a styled set. Together, these details define what cozy, curated apartment living truly means. In the heart of New York City, this home proves that comfort, character, and intention matter more than square footage. Homes like this remind us that comfort isn't about size or trends. It's about the pieces we choose, the stories we keep, and how a space makes us feel. Thank you for spending a moment here. We'll see you in the next home. you.